Hi, I'm Marchie Sindakwa, and this is the second part of the 14th episode of the second season of Marchie Sindakwa Presents Fun with Flags. In the last 2 weeks, I show you the first part of my hand flag collection, all about the astronomical, which is contains of sun, the moon, crescent with stars. In this episode for tonight, I will show you the second part of my hand flag collection, also in the base of astronomical, but this time the stars, which includes the stars on center, the stars on off center, many star equal stars, 5 pointed stars, okay, stars in the circular pattern, then the unequal stars, 5 stars, 5 pointed stars, sorry, then the 6 pointed stars with many stars, yes, and then 8 stars and many pointed stars, and the stars, the Southern Cross constellation, and even the stars and stripes, which includes the current flags and the formerly or historically used flags. Let's get started. Before that, with the stars, flags with the stars, let me apologize to you last episode. There's a still one entries before I show you the flags, especially the first one. I show you the flag of this is the flag of French Polynesia. So it's a featured of a sun rays. So I already if, under the category of the sun. So the sun rays. There are 10 sun rays, five on each side. In front of that as a typical Polynesian boat. So that's the flag of French Polynesia under the category of the sun. In the crescent moon and star, sorry for apology again. This is the flag of East Turkestan. So I probably in East Turkestan. So in the located in West China, in the western part of China, People's Republic of China. So it's a blue field in the crescent and the star, similar to the flag of Turkey, but in the blue version. So East Turkestan. So it's this flag is now officially outlawed by the People's Republic of China. So along as also in the flag of Tibet. Okay. Then and the last one, the crescent moon, it stars, the historical flag, the former flag of Egypt, the kingdom of Egypt. So it's a crescent moon and the 3 stars on the green field. So that's the former flag of Egypt, or what we know also the kingdom of Egypt. Okay, so let's get now started with the stars. So the first one, actually we have, sorry. Okay, so the first one category is the 5 pointed star on the center. One of the best example of the 5 pointed star in the center, I'm not sure, this one is flag of Angola. There is a star at the center. Actually, it's not an. If you notice the flag, it's not in the center. So what do you think? Followers, flag enthusiasts, mixologists, is it considered the central? The flag of Angola is also the center, the star on the center. So please tell the comment section below. So this is the flag of Angola in Africa. Next one, this is not a former flag, actually, still Angola. What we call this flag, the People's Movement for the Liberation of Angola, or MPLA. The this is the most majority party of Angola. So sa cent sa on-centered star on the on-centered star between of the diagonal horizontal, sorry, The horizontal color of red and black. So that's the flag of Movement for the Liberation of Angola. This is the majority party of the Congress. Yes, majority of the Congress ruled by the People's Movement for the Liberation of Angola. Next one, another African country. The example of the star, five-pointed star in the center. This time the flag of Burkina Faso. This one. So the golden star on the center, a golden star, okay, or yellow star. Next one, still in Africa, is the flag of Cameroon. Okay, a golden five-pointed star on the red field on the set. Yeah, on the red field. It's the flag of Cameroon. An example of five-pointed star on the center. Another flag, this time the historical or former flag, the flag of what we call this one, International African Association. Okay, this is the first flag of the what we know now as the Democratic Republic of the Congo. And also this flag is also called Congo Free State. So I will mention now what year used, okay, in your screen right now. That's the golden star on the blue field. Okay. Next one, let's go still in Africa. Let's jump up now. It's in Africa. This time the flag of Ethiopia. This is the current one since 2009. So a pentagram star on the golden pentagram star on the on the blue disc. So that's the flag of Ethiopia, the current flag of Ethiopia. Then the former flag, this is their former flag. I will mention you, I will state there in the year use in your screen right now. This is the former flag. This is the variant flag. Dates in the Ethiopia since 1996 until 2009. Okay, I will mention that already. So the five pentagram star, pentagram golden star on the light blue disc. So this one is a variant. Actually, the original one, the most common use is the larger disc version and the pentagram star also in the Ethiopia. So I'm holding right now. It's a variant flag. Okay, the next one is let's jump to the South America flag of French Guyana. This one. So the red star on the center of the diagonal color of green and yellow field. So this is the flag of French Guyana. Okay, a perfect example of five-pointed star in the center. Next one, another flag I'm gonna show you, flag of Ghana. This is the current one, Ghana, a black star on the center on the yellow field, on the yellow horizontal bar. Okay, that's the flag of Ghana. Current flag of Ghana. The former flag. This is the former flag of Ghana. This time the black star instead of yellow horizontal bar. This time in the white horizontal bar. So this is the former flag of Ghana. I will show you the year on your screen right now. That's the U usage. Then let's go to another African country. This time the flag of Morocco. It's a green pentagram five-pointed star on the center, on the red field. Okay, so yesterday it's a Constitution Day. Oh no, I think Proclamation of Independence Day. Sorry, Morocco, people of Morocco. Okay, that's the flag of Morocco. So they celebrate now yesterday, Proclamation of Independence Day. So it's different from the Independence Day from the Morocco to the Proclamation. Next flag gonna show you right now. Let's go now. Jump to Asia. This time the flag of Myanmar. So the current flag of Myanmar, white pointed star on the center. Okay, dominates with the horizontal color of yellow, green, and red. It's the current flag of Myanmar. Next one. Hold on a second. Okay. All right. So let's go now to the Pacific. This time now the another five-pointed star on the center. This time flag of Northern Mariana Islands. So the black outlined pointed star, five-pointed star on the center. That's the the flag of Northern Mariana Islands. Okay. So Commonwealth country under protection of the United States of America. Let's go jump now to the South America. Five-pointed star in the center. This time the current flag of Paraguay. This is the current one. So there's a golden star on the center of their coat of arms. So that's the current flag of Paraguay. Next one, another Paraguay again. I show you right earlier. This is the Paraguay version since 1970s to 2000, 2011. Oh no, 1957 to 1970. Sorry, this is the 1957 version of the Paraguay. The red outline star on the center of the coat, especially in the coat of arms. And this is the another former flag of Paraguay. Hold on a sec. Okay, this one, the 1970 version to 2013. This is the yellow, a golden star on the blue disc. So in the also in the coat of arms in Paraguay. That's the old flags of Paraguay. A five-pointed star in the center. Another, let's jump off now to the Caribbean, North America, is the flag of Sabah. So the golden five-pointed star on the center of the white long sage or diamond, signify diamond. Okay, so this is the flag of Sabah, Sabah Island, not with not Sabah in Malaysia, but Sabah, Sabah Island. This one, another flag gonna show you right now, the flag of Senegal. Let's go jump to Africa. So it's a green five-pointed star in the yellow field center. Okay, that's the flag of Senegal. Another five-pointed star in the center, also in Africa, the flag of Somalia. So a five-pointed star, white five-pointed star in the center, on the light blue field. That's the flag of Somalia. Another Somalia, a de facto state of Somaliland. Sorry. Black five-pointed star on the center on the white field. A white horizontal band. Okay. That's the flag of Somaliland. Okay. Next one, let's jump off now to the South America. This time the flag of Suriname. So a five-pointed golden star on the red band on the center. It's the flag of Suriname. Okay. So the only Dutch-speaking country in South America. This next the next flag is a historical flag, former flag. What we call this is under the former Texas flag, or popularly called the Bonnie Blue flag. Okay. I don't know what's the year usage of the Bonnie Blue. Please comment section below. I don't I forgot the what year usage. So it's a dark blue, the medium blue field. So on the five-pointed star, white pointed star, a five-pointed white star on the center on the blue medium blue field. That's the Bonnie blue flag. Next one, let's go now to Asia. The current one of the flag of Vietnam. Okay, actually, this is one, the current one. The first used in Vietnam since 1955 to 1976, served as North Vietnam. And then the current one, Vietnam still readopt this flag. So as reunification since 1976 to present. This is the flag of Vietnam. So a five-pointed golden star on the red field. Then a former Vietnamese flag under North Vietnam. This is the earliest Vietnamese flag. since 1945 to 1959. 55. The difference is the star design. So notice the current one from the original. So spot the difference of the star. Compare to their former flag. This one. Okay. So five-pointed star, yellow, golden five-pointed star on the red field. That's the current flag of North Vietnam before. And then in the flag of South Vietnam, or Viet Cong popularity, this is the flag. So since 1969 to 75, then 1975 to 1976, before the unification of Vietnam. So this is the former flag of South Vietnam under communist rule, or popularity known Viet Cong. A golden five-pointed star on the horizontal band of red and blue. That's flag of Viet Cong. Okay. Another historical former flag is the flag of North Yemen or Saana, Yemen Saana or North Yemen or Yemen Arab Republic. Dates 19. I will show you the year usage. So a green five-pointed star on the white horizontal band, okay, on the center. And then the last one, the the flag is my favorite socialist flag. Flag of Yugoslavia, the Socialist Federal Republic. So I will show you the dates usage there and their screen. So it's a white no, it's a five-pointed red star on the golden outlines in the golden outline on the center. So that's the flag of the Yugoslavia or Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia. That's all for the five-pointed star on the center. Okay, let's go now to the, excuse me. Okay, let's go now to the other category. Sorry for interruption. For the five-pointed star, this time now on off center. So either the on the hoist, to the top hoist, or other the stars is which not on the center. So the one of the best example of the off-centered star, five-pointed star, the former flag of Afghanistan. I will show you the date right now usage. So it's on the coat of arms. There's a five-pointed star there on the top on the coat of arms. So that's the former flag of Afghanistan under the communist rule. Then another Afghanistan flag right after this, the former flag. Yeah, it is now the next design of Afghanistan. I will show you the year right now on your screen. There is the five-pointed star. So the five-pointed star, it's actually on the top, the red five-pointed star on the coat of arms. So it's not on the center, but in off center. Okay. Next one, another former flag using the five-pointed star off center. This time the flag of Albania. I will show you the year usage right now in your screen. So the golden outlined star on the top of the two-headed eagle. That's the off-centered, considered as an off-centered design, a five-pointed star off-centered. Next one, another former flag again. There's so many historical. Uh, this one, the former flag of Benin. So there's a five-pointed red star on the top of the hoist. That's the former flag of Benin. So I will show you the year usage in your screen right now. That's the former flag of Benin. Next one, flag, another former flag in Europe. This time the flag of Bulgaria. I'm showing you now again the year usage now in your screen. There's a five-pointed star on the coat of arms, red star, okay, on the coat of arms. That's the former flag of Bulgaria. before they removed the coat of arms. Current one, Bulgaria. Then another former flag, this time going back to Africa, the flag of Cape Verde. So there's a black five-pointed star on the hoist side. That's their coat of arms. Okay, sorry. So the black five-pointed star. That's the flag, former flag of Cape Verde. Okay, next one. The flag. This is now the current one. We jump off. Another Africa. This time now the Democratic Republic of the Congo. This is now the current flag. Okay. So there's a yellow or golden five-pointed star on the top hoist. Okay. Next one. We're going back to the former flag. This time of the Republic of the Congo. This is their former flag of the Republic of the Congo. I will show you the year right now. A five-pointed golden star with the outline with black outline. Okay, so it's still used today. Actually, after 1990s, this is the party flag under the party flag. Okay, this is the former flag of the Republic of the Congo before. Next one, let's go back now to the Caribbean, the North America. The current flag of Cuba since 1906. So the white five-pointed star on the red triangular hoist on the hoist. Okay, that's the current flag of Cuba. The former flag I will show you now very earlier. Short usage. I'll show you the the year in the on your screen right now. Five-pointed star on the red triangular hoist. Okay, so the difference is the stripes of blue and white. So this one I'm holding is a light blue and white. Rather, the current one, medium blue and white, far up stripes, alternating stripes. Okay, that's the flag of Cuba, former flag of Cuba. Next one, we're going back, jump back to Africa, the current flag of Djibouti. This is a current flag of Djibouti. Red five-pointed star on the white triangular hoist. Okay, that's the current flag of Djibouti. Then the former, I'm not sure it is former flag or historical flag. Is under Djibouti, what they call this flag, the front of the liberation of the Somali coast. I will show you the year usage. I it could see it's also a former flag, but it was a former party flag. So inverted a reverse flag of Djibouti. So the five-pointed star on the white triangle on the fly side. Okay, so not the hoist. Okay, that's the former flag, the former party of the fought of the liberation of the Somali coast. Next one, going back to another Africa country. Sorry, this time the flag of Guinea-Bissau. So it's a black five-pointed star on the red vertical band on the hoist. Okay, that's the flag of Guinea-Bissau. Current flag of Guinea-Bissau. Let's go now to Asia. The flag of North Korea or Korea North. So this is the current flag. So the in the five-pointed red star on the white circular disc on the hoist side. Okay, that's a flag of the current flag of North Korea. Next one, a former flag back still in Asia, a former flag of Mongolia. I will show you the year usage there right now in your screen. So a five-pointed yellow star on the top of the Simbono symbol. Mongolia is once a socialist republic before. Okay, socialist republic since after the war, probably. Okay, next one, we go jump back. We jump back to the Africa country. This time the flag of Mozambique. So this is the current one since 1983. So the yellow five-pointed star on the red hoist. disregard of the AK-47 and the backhoe and the book, opening book. Many of them, people of Mozambique now, is like their design, current design. They want to remove the AK-47, maybe probably the dangerous symbol for them, backhoe as well as backhoe and even the book. So many petitions. There are probably now there I'm also I also looking also the surfing of the website. There are two proposal flags, still not yet official, to replace the current flag of Mozambique flag. Okay. Then let's go another Mozambique, the formerly flag of Mozambique. This one. So the red five-pointed star on the top hoist. So is there's a red five-pointed star. There's still there are now already used the AK-47, backhoe, and even the opening book. Then they're adding also the cog wheel. That's the former flag of Mozambique. Anyway, so let's go now to the Canadian territory of Nuvanu, Nunavut. Sorry, Nunavut. Okay, so there's a blue five-pointed tilted star on the fly side there. Okay, can you see the blue five-pointed star on the top fly side? That's the flag of Nunavut, uh, terri- territory of Canada. Let's go now to another North America country or Caribbean. The current flag of Puerto Rico is one. So they since 1995, this is now the current one. So the white five-pointed star of the medium blue, actually the medium blue triangle hoist side. Okay, that's the current flag of Puerto Rico. The former flag, this is one. The dark, the dark blue version since 1952 to 1995. Where's the star? So the five pointed star, the white five pointed star on the hoist side, the dark blue triangle hoist. That's the former flag, but it's still popular also that the blue also still used today. Actually, the real current one is the medium blue version since 1995. Then let's go to jump up to Europe. This time, former flag is the flag of Romania since 1965 to 1989. Okay, so I show you the year usage ready now. So there's a red five-pointed star on the coat of arms on the center. Okay, so it's still up centered. Okay, on the top. That's the former flag of Romania. Then let's go back now to Caribbean or North America. It's time the flag of Saint Eustatius. So as a what's good, the constituency country of the Kingdom of Netherlands. Pointed there's a five-pointed golden star on the top of the mount. I think it's a mountain. Okay, so it's on the diamond center. That's the flag of Saint it's Eustatius, the uh, constituent territory of the Kingdom of Netherlands. Let's go jump now back to Africa. This is the current one of the South Sudan. So there's a five-pointed star there on the light blue triangle on the hoist. This is the current one since 2023, actually. So that's the flag of South Sudan, the current one. The former flag, I think former flag, this is one since 2011, since independence they gained to from Sudan until 2023. The five-pointed golden star in tilted position on the hoist side, on the blue, medium blue a medium blue triangle on the hoist. Okay, that's the former flag of South Sudan. Let's go now to America. What states? United States. The state flag of Texas. This is the current one. So the Lone Star flag. So there's a white five-pointed star, white five-pointed star on the blue vertical band on the hoist. That's the flag of Texas. Next one, the flag. Actually, this is not a current. The former. This is I think probably an autonomous. What we call them, the flag of Tigray region. So Tigray region is located in the northern part of Ethiopia and also to the border of Eritrea. So this is the flag of Tigray region. There's a five-pointed golden star tilted on the fly side. It's the flag of Tigray region. Next one, the flag of Timor. Oh no, sorry, Timor Leste or East Timor. So there's white, a five-pointed white star. Okay, tilted on the black, the triangle on the hoist side. Okay, with the superstition on the golden triangle also in the hoist side. So this is the flag of Timor Leste or East Timor in English. Next one, the flag. We're going back to Europe. This time the flag of Transnistria, a de facto state. So still under administered by Moldova. Okay. So the star is the red, the golden outlined red star. Okay. On the top, on below the hammer and sickle on the hoist side. That's the flag of Transnistria. The only flag s- featured a design current flag using hammer and sickle. Let's go now in the European, the popular ones. Flag of Soviet Union. Okay, I will show you this is the 1955 version now. Up to now that's dissolved in 1991. So there's a five-pointed golden outlined star. Five-pointed golden outlined star. So below that in the hammer and sickle. That's the flag of Soviet Union or USSR, Soviet Union of the Socialist Union of the Soviet Socialist Republics. Sorry. This one let's jump off now to the Pacific. Flag of West Papua. So under Indonesian control still. Autonomous province. So there's a five-pointed white star on the vertical band of red. Okay, on the hoist side. That's the flag of West Papua. And then on, in still Asia, let's go back to Asia. It's the former flag of South Yemen or Yemen Aden. So after the capital Aden, the capital. So there's a five-pointed red star tilted position on the light blue triangle on the hoist. That's the flag of South Yemen or Yemen Aden. Okay. And the last one, the flag of Zimbabwe in Africa. There's a five-pointed star, red star. So right behind is the behind of the Zimbabwean bird. I show you now earlier now for the animals. And on the white black outline triangle on the hoist side. It's the flag of Zimbabwe in Africa. The current one. All right. Let's go now. Five let's go now to the five-pointed star on the canton. So one of the best example of the five-pointed star in the canton, the flag of the Central African Republic. Okay, so there's a five-pointed star on the hoist side. Okay, five-pointed yellow star on the blue field. Okay, that's considered as a canton. Okay, that's the flag of Central African Republic. Next one, The next flag, gonna show you the flag of, sorry, flag of Chile going to South America. There's a five-pointed star on the blue field canton, a white star. That's the flag of Chile. Next one, the flag of going to Africa, flag of Liberia. So there's a five-pointed star, white star on the blue canton. That's the flag of Liberia in Africa. And then the last one on the five-pointed star on the canton, the flag of Togo in the Africa again. Disregard the name Togo. So actually, it's gifted from. I requested flag from the consulate of Togo in our country, Philippines. Okay, this is there. There's going back to the design. There's a five-pointed white star on the red canton. That's the flag of Togo, a current one. All right, let's go now. Sorry for the five-pointed stars again. This time in many equals. So two could be two, four, two, three, four, five, as many as the stars. Okay, they are same equal. One of the best example is the de facto state of Abkhazia. Okay, under the state of Georgia is an arc of the seven stars located on the canton, on the red canton. Okay, disregard the hand. So there's a arc of five pointed star. Arc of seven stars, five pointed. Okay, I already now five pointed. Next one, going to Europe. This time the flag of Azores, an arc of the nine stars. There in the below of the eagle. Eagle or goose hawk. I sorry, I forgot this one. So if you show the previous episode, I think this is the goose hawk. So the flag of Azores. Again, there's an arc of nine five-pointed stars on the flag. That's the flag of Azores. They're equal, actually. Then, let's go now to jump off to the South America. This time, the flag of Bolivia. So, actually, it's so small. I will show you the coat of arms. Actually, the stars, the location of the stars is on the coat of arms. I will show you the coat of arms. That's the coat of arms of Bolivia. So, it's a parabolic of 10 stars on the coat of arms. Okay. The parabolic is more like a U shape. Yeah, parabolic considered. Or if you, for not confusing the word, the parabolic, upside down arc for sure, to make it simple. Okay, that's the flag of Bolivia. Next one, let's jump up to Europe. The flag of Bosnia and Herzegovina, the current one, okay, is a diagonal of seven full stars and the two half stars. Okay, there are seven stars, full stars, and the two half stars. There's two half stars, the bottom one and the top one. Okay, that's the flag of Bosnia and Herzegovina, the current one. In the five-pointed star in many equals. Then let's jump up to the North America or Caribbean. This time the flag of Cayman Islands. Where's the star? Actually, there's a three star there on the coat of arms. The three equal green star on the coat of arms. That's the flag of Cayman Islands. Next one, let's go back. Also still in North America or Central America, the state flag of Costa Rica. So where's the star? I will show you the picture of the coat of arms. Where's the stars? So there are arc of seven stars. Okay, especially on the coat of arms. Okay. So there's a coat of. I will show you the picture now. So there's the seven arc. The arc form in seven stars. Okay, that's the flag of Costa Rica. Let's go now to the Antarctic region. This time Indian. This time the flag of French Southern and Antarctic lands. There's a chevron formation of the five pointed, five, five pointed stars, white five pointed stars. Okay, on the initial of their flag. This one. Okay, so I will explain that one later on in the official country name. That's the acronym actually. Let's go back now to jump up to the Central America or North America. This is the current flag of Honduras. Supposed to be the Mayan blue flag. There's it's a form of quincunx of five stars, which is separated in the separate in the colored Mayan blue. Okay, five. Then the former flag. This is the former flag of Honduras. I will show you the year. Okay, right now in your screen. So same design, but this time is a narrow one with a quick hooks of five stars. Okay, that's the flag of former flag of Honduras. Okay, next one, the flag going back to Asia, the flag of Hong Kong, China, special administrative. There's a five stars in each petal. So if I mentioned now earlier the flowers, the orchid, the Hong Kong orchid flower. So that's their national flower, I guess. So that's there's a five pointed star each petal, the flag of Hong Kong. Okay, then let's still in Asia. Let's the former flags. Actually, there are former flags. The former flag of Iraq. So a three horizontal of green stars. That's the before. I will show you the year usage there right now. Okay, right now, and then the second one, another Iraq. This time, what we call the during the reign of Saddam Hussein. The Saddam Hussein's handwriting version of God is great or Allah Akbar. Okay. The green, another horizontal of three horizontal forming of a horizontal three green stars. It's the former flag of Iraq. Then after Saddam Hussein still retained the design, but not in the Saddam's handwriting. This one still Allah Akbar before they remove the three stars. So horizontal green star, three green stars. Okay, that's the former flag of Iraq. So before in right now in I think for of 2008, it is now the current flag. The it's retained the God is great. The the rate in Kofrix right. Okay, let's go now to the Pacific. This time is the Johnson Atoll. I released now also now the new flag collection ko since today, 2026. So the Johnson Atoll is there's a diagonal formation of four stars. Okay, that's the flag of Johnson Atoll. Okay, next one, the flag going jump to Europe. This time the flag of Kosovo. There's an arc of six stars on the top of the map of the golden map of Kosovo. Okay, next one, it's current one actually. Then going to jump to Pacific. This time the flag of Micronesia or the Federated States of Micronesia. It's four stars in the form of the Longines pattern or diamond position. Okay, so this is the flag of Micronesia or Federated States of Micronesia. Then let's go now to Central America or North America. This time the flag of Panama. So there are two stars present. The blue star on the hoist side, on top hoist, and the red star on the lower fly side. It's the flag of Panama, the current one. Next one. Hold on a second. It's too big. My country. I sorry. All right. Sorry. It's time now. The flag of the. Ay, so long. Okay. The former. No, not the former. That but the current flag of the Philippines is one. So there's a form, the golden star, a three golden star around the sun, forming of a triangle formation. Okay, that's the current flag of the Philippines. Sorry. Okay, that's the flag of the Philippines. Current one. Former flag of the Philippines, I mentioned earlier now. Okay, since the day of Independence Day with the sun face. So same again, the three stars forming around surrounding around the sun. Okay, that's the flag, the former flag of the Philippines. All right, let's go now to Caribbean. It's done now. The Caribbean or North America, flag of Saint Kitts and Nevis. There's a diagonal of on two stars on the diagonal black band. Okay, that's the flag of Saint Kitts and Nevis. Next, going to Africa again. This time the flag of Sao Tome and Principe. Sao Tome and Principe. Horizontal formation of two black stars. Okay, the two black stars. It's the flag of Sao Tome and Principe or Sao Tome and Principe. Okay, then going to the Pacific, Oceania, the flag of Solomon Islands. So it's there there are five stars in the form of the quincunx. Okay, the quincunx of five star white stars. That's the flag of Solomon Islands in the Pacific. Then the current. Let's go to back to Asia. The current flag of Syria since 2025. Okay, so the the horizontal formation of the three red stars. Okay, that's the current flag of Syria. That's the flag actually, the current one, 22. Then another considered also the variant flag. This this is as a long one. So usage, I'll show you the usage now. The year usage. There are three usage. So the other 1930s, the other 1960s, and then in 2011 served as the opposition flag against the Bataist regime. Okay, that's the flag of Syria. Then the former flag of Syria, the Ba'athist Syria, 1980 to 2024. Okay, and also the flag of the United Arab Republic. Okay, I will show 1958 to 1971, composed of Egypt and Syria. So there are two stars, one of Egypt, one is for Syria. Okay, two green stars. Okay, that's the flag of the United Arab Republic. Let's go now. Still, there are many stars. This time, the flag of Tajikistan is still in Asia, Central Asia. So there's an arc of the seven stars on the flag. That's the flag of Tajikistan. The the arc of seven stars, five pointed stars still five pointed stars. Then let's go jump now to the Pacific. The flag of Tuvalu is a constellation of the five of nine stars. So actually, these nine stars represents the islands of Tuvalu. Okay, so sorry for my apology. Actually, this is not the. There's some of the stars are tilted. Actually, the current one. So this one is made from a local flag maker. So actually, it's maybe a manufactured defects, something like that. So it's a sentimental value actually for me. Anyway, let's go on. Moving on. Let's go now to the flag of the United Africa. Union of African States. So it's a confederation of Ghana. I'm not sure Mali or even another one star member. So comment section below which country that one. So there's a horizontal of the three stars, black stars actually. That's the Union of African States. Next one, the current flag of the USA. This is the most many stars and this time composed of a quadrilateral of the 50 stars represents 50 states. The flag of United States, the current one. Okay. Then another United States former flag. This time, the United States version of 1777 to 1795. Okay. A quadrilateral of 13 stars represents the original 13 colonies. Okay. Next one, the 15 stars, what we call the Star Spangled Banner. This one dates 1795 to 1880. What called the Star Spangled Banner. Okay. Under United States, 15 stars, quadrilateral. Then the longest serving United States, the second serving right after the 50 stars, the flag of the United States again, quadrilateral of 48 star version. Okay. So survived during World War One and the World War Two as well. Okay. Then under United States, the former flag or the maybe still continued use served as an activist, the Confederate battle flag. So com- of a satire form of the 13 stars or an X form of 13 point the five pointed white star. Okay, the Confederate battle flag. Hold on. Next one. Let's go to South America. For the current flag of Venezuela. Okay, actually this one. So as an arc of 8 stars, the state one. Okay. Then under the current flag, this is the state one. Then the civil flag version without the coat of arms, a arc of 8 stars, the flag of Venezuela, okay, the civil flag, as well the former flag of Venezuela, still used today as the opposition flag, an arc of 7 stars. This one, okay, I will show you the year usage as well, but it's still used today, serve as an activist, the opposition flag against the current government. Even though Manduri is captured right uh, recently, so there's still the government of yeah, the acting president is still loyalist to Manduro actually. Okay, then let's go now. This is a very if there is a Kosovo in the Serbia, there is also Jovodina. Okay, so it's a triangular form of 3 stars. Okay, that's the flag of Jovodina. Jovodina. So actually, this one is not too much revolt against Serbian government, unlike Kosovo. Okay, so this one they have own autonomous still status of autonomous state, but never petition to the United Nations, unlike Kosovo. Okay, then and the last one, the flag of Wake Islands, composed of 3 stars around the seal of the Wake Island. So that's the seal of Wake Island. Okay. So there's a 3 stars there surrounded on the seal. Okay. So that's the flag of Wake Island. Unofficial Wake, unofficial flag of Wake Islands to be corrected by. Okay. So that's all for the 5 pointed stars in many equal parts. All right. So let's go now. Another category. This time the 5 pointed star in the form of the circular pattern. Okay. One of the best a few examples. These are the currents. Oh no, there's a former also. The flag. One of the best example is the flag of Cape Verde, the current one since 1982, composed of 10 stars forming of a circle. Okay. There, if you notice the flag of current flag of Cape Verde. Capo Verde. Next one, in the Pacific, a de facto state on and still administered by New Zealand. The flag of Cook Islands. So composed of 15 stars formed in a circle. Okay, that's the flag of Cook Islands. Next one, the flag of going to Caribbean or the North America. Sorry, sorry, forget the mic. The flag of Dominica. Okay, so the composed of 10 stars forming in a circle. The green stars, really, surrounding the bird. It's the current flag of Dominica. Going to Asia, this the former flag of Myanmar. Hold on a second. Okay, this one. So it's composed. I will show you the year usage right now. So composed of 14 stars forming in the circle on the canton. Okay, that's the flag of Myanmar before, the former flag before the tricolor of yellow, green, and red with a white star. That's the current. Let's go now to United States. So former United States flag. This time the Betsy Ross version. Thir- the 13 stars forming in the circle, or what we call the United States Betsy Ross variant. Okay. Next one, the flag. Let's go now to the Confederate States of America. This is their flag. The Confederate States of America. I will show you the year usage. This in 1 year use only. It's composed of 7 stars forming in the circle on the blue canton. Then the Confederate State flag again since 1961 to 63. I'm not sure. Composed of 13 star forming in a circle on the blue canton. Okay, that's the current one. Okay, and then sorry, then the flag of sorry about that. Okay, then the next one is the flag of African Union. Sorry, this one. Composed of 55 stars forming in the circle, surrounded with the green African map of the green silhouette of Africa, and the back also on the of the sun also. That's the flag of African Union, the current one, composed of 55 stars forming in the circle. Then, and then the one flag with two usage. So the first one is the COE or Council of Europe still use this flag, and as well as the European Union. Okay, composed of 12 stars forming in a circle, 12 golden star forming in a circle. That is the flag of Council of Europe as well as the European Union. That's all for the five-pointed stars surrounded with a uh in the circle pattern. Next one, the category is the five-pointed star again, this time in many unequal. Okay, so on many unequal. One of the best examples, the most, is the current flag of Brazil. So you notice also, if you're close na lang already, I will not send the picture. So disregard, there's a southern cross star on the center. So most of the stars are equal. Okay, many of them. Okay, so a southern hemisphere located of the southern hemisphere of a star field of 27 stars, including the Southern Cross constellation. Okay, that's the current flag of Brazil. The other star on the northern part, that is I think it's the federal district, the Brasilia. Okay, the capital of, of Brazil. Okay, next one, the flag of the People's Republic of China. One of the best example of five-pointed star in many unequal. There's a composed of five stars, four small ones, and the one is the large one. That's the flag of the People's Republic of China. Okay, or China for sure. Then let's go now to the Democratic Republic of the Congo, the former flag. This is the year 1960 to 1963, and then readopted in 1997 to 2003. So they're composed of seven stars. Six are small on the hoist side, and the one large one on the center. That's the former flag of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. And this is the another Democratic Republic of the Congo former flag. This one is the light blue. So since 2003 to 2007, same design with six. There are seven stars. Six are small ones on the fly side, on the hoist side, and the large one on the center. See, that's the former flag of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Next one, going to the Caribbean or North America, the flag of Curacao, the two stars, one for small and one for large one. Okay, that's the flag of Curacao. Then go still in Caribbean or North America. This time the flag of Grenada, composed of seven stars. There are six small stars, three of each on the top and three on the bottom, as well as the one large star in the middle. Okay, that's the flag of Grenada. And then going to Asia, the flag of Macau, China. So the arc of five stars, four from the small and one for large in the middle. So that's the flag of Macau, China. Okay, next one, the flag of, hold on. The last one, the flag of Niue in the Pacific, a de facto state in under the New Zealand. So the composed of five stars located on the Union Jack Canton. The five stars, four in the small ones and one in the large one in the center. Okay, that's the flag of Niue. So it's a de facto territory of New Zealand, de facto country territory under new administered New Zealand. Next, let's go now. That's the flag of the five-pointed star in many unequal. Sorry. Next one. Let's go now. Six-pointed stars. There are three current six-pointed stars right now. The first one is the flag of Bonaire, a constituent country of the Kingdom of Netherlands in the Caribbean. So there's a red six-pointed star there. Okay, that's one in the red. Okay, see for yourself. Okay, that's the flag of Bonaire. Next one, you hate. Some of you love so much. Some of you are not. This is the flag of Israel. Okay, the blue pentagrams, six-pointed Star of David for short, a Star of David. So that's the flag of Israel. Okay, some of you did not like it. Some of you they love Israel. Sorry to offend. Anyway, I just support both sides already. Okay, next one and the last one is the flag of the Northern Ireland, the six-pointed star, the Ulster banner version. Okay, the six-pointed star in in the middle there's a hand on the center. That's the flag of Northern Ireland, a probably a former flag, but it's still used today. Serve as a sports flag, is representing of the Northern Ireland. Okay, now let's go now to another category. Still the same, the six-pointed star. Okay, sorry, the six-pointed stars in the many equals. Okay, So the one of the samples in the flag of six-pointed stars in many equal. There are current ones. There are many currents. First one is the flag of Burundi. There are forming of the triangle of the three stars, six-pointed star. Okay, remember. So this is the flag of Burundi. Next one, the flag of going to Europe. This time the flag of Croatia. Actually, there are two stars on the coat of arms. If you notice, the two pointed star, one on the left and one from the right. Okay, that's the flag of Croatia. The two stars, six-pointed stars, the two six-pointed stars on the coat of arms. Let's go jump to Africa. This time now, the flag of Equatorial Guinea. There's an arc of the six stars over the coat of arms. Six-pointed stars. Okay, again. So there's a arc of the six stars, six pointed stars on the coat of arms. That's the flag of Equatorial Guinea, the current one again, still the current one. And the one, not yet. Sorry. And next one, the flag of Falkland Islands. Actually, I will send you the detail. This one. Where's the five? Where's the six-pointed star? So actually, it's the in the coat of arms. So it's located there, a form of a quintus formation of five stars, six-pointed stars again on the top sail of the ship of the, especially on the coat of arms. So I will show you the picture of the coat of arms of Falkland Islands, especially the top sail. There's a quintus formation of six-pointed star. So very detailed flag. So the flag of Falkland Islands. So locate or Islas Malvinas for the Argentinians recall. And the last one is the flag of Slovenia. So it's a form of three stars of the coat of arms on the top of Mount Tigrab. Tigrab, sorry for my pronounce. So it's the six-pointed star, three six-pointed star on the top of Mount Tigrab in the coat of arms of Slovenia. That's the flag of six-pointed stars in many equal. Okay, let's go now. Another category. There's a two eight-pointed stars or stars. So the one example is the civil ensign of Colombia. On the center one, there's a eight-pointed star there. One star on the center. The civil ensign of Colombia. And the last one, a territorial flag of Chile, the flag of Juan Fernandez Island, composed of five eight-pointed stars, three on the top, two in the bottom. Okay, that's the flag of Juan Fernandez Island, a territorial in Chile. Okay, let's go now for the another category, the one many pointed stars. So not just for five-pointed star, six-pointed star, or even eight-pointed star. So actually also the eight-pointed star, it's in Azerbaijan. I will not count it that one. So it's it considered sorry. So I not it could see I could see, but it was under crescent with the star actually. Let's go now. Anyway, moving on. Let's go now to one many pointed star. One example there is the flag of Aruba. There's a four-pointed fabricated red star on the top hoist on the flag. It's the flag of Aruba. So a constituent country of the Kingdom of Netherlands. Then the ethnic flag of Assyria. This one example. Four-pointed blue star on the center. Remember, as I told you now earlier, the circle one is the center, is the represent the sun. Okay, which is also the surrounded by four-pointed star. Okay, that's the flag of Assyria, ethnic flag of Assyria. Then to Asia again, that's the current flag of Jordan. composed of seven pointed star. Okay, seven pointed star. Okay, white pointed star on the triangle hoist, the red triangular hoist, and the flag Jordan before, or the similarity of Palestine with they adding the seven pointed star, or popularity Transjordan. Dates, I will show you the date on your screen right now. So the seven pointed white star on the red triangular hoist. Okay, so difference there, it's the current one. It's more enlarged, it's more stretchable, elongated triangle compared to the former flag. So more similar, let's say, just say the flag of Palestine by adding a seven pointed star on the middle. That's one. That's the difference. Correct me if I'm wrong. Say, then also the Bangsamoro flag, there's seven pointed star. So actually, I did not counted that one. So it's still under the crescent and the star. So it's not counted. Okay, anyway, moving on. Let's go now to the flag of Marshall Islands. So this the manyest pointed star, composed of 24 pointed star. This one. It's not a sun, that's a star. Okay, this one. I pointed right now in my hand. Okay, that's 24. Again, 24 pointed star. The flag of Marshall Islands. And the last one, many pointed star, the flag of Nauru in Pacific, composed of 12 pointed stars. There. Oh, sorry. There in below. This one. I pointed my hand, my finger. This one. That's the flag of Nauru. The 12 pointed star. Let's go now to another category. This time now, the stars on the pattern of the Southern Cross constellation. So let's say the flag of the Southern Cross constellation for short. One of the best example is the current flag of Australia. This one. So the Southern Cross, this one formation of small white five pointed star with the four white seven pointed stars and the separate large seven pointed star. This one. Okay. That's the flag of Australia, the current flag of Australia. Then still in the Australia, the Australian Antarctic Territory, the unofficial flag, what we call the light blue version, still the same. So the Southern Cross of the white point pointed star with the white seven pointed star and the seven segregate separate large seven pointed star. Still the same. Okay. Then another example. Let's go back now. Flag of Brazil. This one. If you closer, if I look it close up to you, there is a southern constellation there. See for can you see then? This one in the center. Okay. The Southern Cross constellation with the star field of the 27, the rest of the 27 white stars, unequaled white stars. Okay, that's the flag of Brazil. Next one, the flag. Let's go now. The flag of under Australia. Sorry. Okay, the flag of Christmas Island. This one. So it's a Southern Cross. This one of a four equal white seven pointed star and a smaller white five pointed star. That's the flag of Christmas Island, territory of Australia, another territory of Australia. Then the flag of Okuskning Island. So the south, there's the south, there's is the Southern Cross. This one on the fly side, the south constellation of four equals yellow seven pointed stars and the smaller yellow five pointed star with a crescent moon facing on the flag. Okay, that's the flag of Cocos Ekining Island. Okay, and another example is also constellation Southern Cross constellation flag, the flag of Magallanes region. Actually, the real name is Magallanes and Chilean Antarctica region. So for short, Magallanes region. So it includes of a four equal white five-pointed star and a smaller white five-pointed star in the inclined position. Okay, that's the flag of Magallanes region. Okay, then let's go now to the flag of New Zealand. So the composed of the southern cross of the four unequal fabricated red five-pointed stars. This one. It's the flag of New Zealand. Let's go now. The flag of Papua New Guinea. This is the flag one. Another southern cross constellation. Excuse me. Where's UN? Okay. So the flag of the flag of Papua New Guinea. So it's a southern cross of five equal white pointed stars in the on the lower hoist, on the low hoist side actually. So that's the flag of Papua New Guinea. Okay. So another southern cross constellation example flag is the flag of Niue. Let's go back to the flag of Niue. Actually, the presentation there is a stylized southern cross of the four equal yellow five-pointed stars with the fifth larger yellow five-pointed star in the star and for the Niue itself in the Pacific. So that's the flag of Niue. That's the sometimes they call a representation of Southern Cross constellation pattern. Next one, the flag of unofficial flag, sorry, of the flag of dependency under New Zealand. This is the unofficial. So the Southern Cross of the four unequal fabricated red five-pointed star there. That's the flag of Ross dependency. All right, let's go now. Another Southern Cross constellation, the flag of Samoa, okay, or formerly named Western Samoa. So it's a Southern Cross of the five unequal white five-pointed stars there on the blue canton. That's the flag of Samoa or Western Samoa formerly. Then another one, the flag of Tierra de Fuego province, Tierra de Fuego province. So it's an inclined of a four equal white stars, five-pointed star, and a smaller of the white five-pointed star. Okay, on the top fly side, in inclined position again. So this is the flag of Tierra de Fuego province, in Argentina. Then the flag again in the Pacific, the flag of Tokelau. So it's a constituent territory of New Zealand. So there's a Southern Cross formation there on the flag, the four unequal white five-pointed star on the on the hoist side or top hoist. Okay, that's the flag of Tokelau. Then next, the last one, an organization, an international organization, the Pacific Forum flag. It's a Southern Cross of four equal gold four pointed star and as one small gold four pointed star on the in the logo on the canton. That's the flag of Pacific Islands Forum. Okay, so inspired for the most of the islands, the country flags of the Pacific or Oceania are based on the design of the Southern Cross constellation. Okay, that's all for the flags that has Southern Cross constellation formation. Okay, layout or not that one. All right. So let's go now for the stars and stripes. So the stars and alternating stripes. I have back some of examples of that. The first one is the flag again, the flag of Abkhazia. There's a star again, the flag of Abkhazia, the seven stars and the green and white alternating stripes. That's the flag of Abkhazia. Next one, the current flag of Cuba, as I already know. White star with alternative stripe of blue and white. Another flag of Cuba. I will show you the date used. The white star and the blue and white alternative stripes. Then the flag of Honduras, the five stars with alternating stripes of light blue, Mayan blue and white. Okay, alternating. Then the former flag of Honduras, still the same. Five stars with the alternating stripes of blue and white. Okay, alternating. Then the flag of Liberia, the one star with alternating stripes of red and white. Then the flag of Malaysia. Okay, disregard the crescent, the star. Okay, then what they call the stripes of glory. So alternating stripes also with red and white. That's the flag of Malaysia. Next one, the flag of Puerto Rico, a white star with alternating stripe of red and white. Then the former flag, or still used to date flag, actually, the white star and alternating stripes of red and white. Then the flag of Sao Tome and Principe, or Principe, with the two stars on the alternating stripe of green and yellow. Then the flag of Togo with a star with alternating stripe of green and gold, the golden yellow or yellow. That's the flag of Togo. And the flag of United States. Again, I show you again now. The 50 stars, alternating stripes of red and white. Then another Betsy Ross variant or the stars in red and white alternating stripes. The this one, the 13th star flag, United States, with red and white alternating stripes. Then the flag of the Star Spangled Banner, 15 stars on the red and white alternating stripes. Okay, then the flag of 48 stars, flag, United States, still United States, with an alternating stripe of red and white red and white. Then, not just for USA, the Confederate States also. Uh, the seventh star on the red and white and red alternating stripe. I think that's right. And then the 13th star Confederate States of America. 13th star on the red and white and red by alternating stripe. And the last one, the West Papua flag with a one star with alternating stripes of blue and white. Okay, that's the flag of West Papua. That's all for the stars and stripes. Stars with alternating stripes. Okay, and then the last one. Sorry. So under the stars and stripes, this time the stars in varying stripes. So anything unequaled or the three triband or tribe stripes would represent. So one of the best examples of stars and stripes, stars in varying stripes, is the flag of Aruba. This one again, I will show you now. The four-pointed star and various stripe of light blue and yellow. or golden yellow for me. Then the flag next one is the flag of Cape Verde. This one. So the stars with varying stripe of blue, white, and red, then white and blue. Okay. Next one, the former flag of Cape Verde, one star with varying stripe of yellow, golden yellow, and green. Okay. Then the flag of Chile, a one star with varying stripe of white and red. It's the flag of Chile. Next one, the flag of Croatia. This one. So varying stripe. There's a star also in the coat of arms, as I mentioned earlier. Then, of varying stripe of red, white, and blue. That's the flag of Croatia. Then the flag of Djibouti with a red star, a varying stripe of light blue and light green. Then the former flag, I'm not sure. The federal front of the liberation of Somali coast, saying design of Djibouti, but in reverse side. So star on the right stripe of blue and green. Next one, the flag of Ethiopia with a star, with a pentagram star with varying stripe of a pan-African color of green, yellow, and red. Then also the another former flag, variant flag, Ethiopia, same design with pentagram star with green, yellow, and red, pan-African color. Then the flag of Ghana, the current one. So a star with a varying stripe of red, yellow, and green, a pan-African color. Then a former flag of Ghana again is the black star, then with a varying stripe of red, white, and green. Okay. Before they change it the current flag, the Pan-African version. Then the flag also the Guinea-Bissau, a star, black star with a varying stripe of yellow and green. The flag of Guinea-Bissau. Then the flag of Jordan. Okay, so this one, flag of Jordan. All right. Sorry. The flag of Jordan. Said sorry about that. So a star, seven-pointed star with a varying stripe of black, white, and green. To combine the red, a pan-Arabic colors. The former flag of Jordan. A swan, a seven-pointed star with varying stripe of black, with white, and green. With also together with red to combine Pan-African colors. Then the flag of North Korea. This one. So a star, one star with a varying stripe of blue, white, red, white, and blue. Okay. Then the flag of Mozambique. Okay. The star with alternate varying stripe of green, white, black, white, and yellow. That's the flag of Mozambique. Then the flag of Myanmar. So star with a varying stripe of yellow, green, and red. Flag of Myanmar. Next one, the flag of Nauru. A star below the 14 points star. Okay. Then with alternate with a varying stripe of blue, then yellow, and then blue. That's the flag of Nauru. Then the flag of the Philippines with the three stars together with the sun with varying stripe of blue and red. Same as this Philippines, the former flag of Philippines. Okay. Designed by Emilio Aguinaldo, the Stars and the Sun with writing stripe of blue and red. Then going to Europe, the flag of Slovenia. Okay, so a star there in the coat of arms with a writing stripe of white, blue, and red. So pan-Slavic colors. Okay, this another flag, the de facto state of Somaliland. A black star with a writing stripe of green, white, and red. That's the flag of Somaliland. And then flag of South Sudan. This one, the current one, with a star with a writing stripe of black, white, red, white, green. Okay. So the flag of South Sudan. The former flag also, South Sudan, star with a black, white, red, white, green. Then going to South America, the flag of Suriname with a star in the center with a writing stripe of green, white, red, white, green. And then the flag of Syria, third current flag, the revolution flag, the three stars with a writing stripe of green, white, and black. Then also the variant, also the Syrian flag, same, the stars with a writing stripe of white, green, white, and black. Then the Patay Syria, this one, Patay Syria, as well as the United Arab Republic. So two green stars with a writing stripe of red, white, and black. So forms of pan-Arabic color inspiration. Also in the current flag of Syria, also the pan-Arabic inspiration color. Then the flag of Tajikistan. Okay. Also the seven stars in the center, the coat of arms with a writing stripe of red, white, and green. And then the Union of African States, this one. So three stars with the four of a writing stripe of red, yellow, and green. The Union of African States. Let's go now to Venezuela. The stars with a writing stripe of yellow, blue, and red. Okay, the state. This is the state flag. The civil one. This is the civil one. So arc, eight stars in arc formation with a writing stripe of yellow, blue, and red. Then the former flag. This one, the opposition flag. So the seven stars in form of arc formation with all the writing stripe of yellow, blue, and red. And the last but not the least, the flag of Zimbabwe. So a red star with alternating writing stripe of green, yellow, red, black, then red, yellow, and green. That's the flag of Zimbabwe. Uh, and then the last, that is the all for the stars and stripes in stars in variety stripes. So I hope you like my hand flag collection so far. So which country flags you like so much more like so much, especially the current and the former use flags. So as I mentioned earlier, this my favorite flag so far is the socialist. Yeah, so far is the my favorite socialist flag, the Yugoslavia, the SFR, the Socialist Federal State. So what's your favorite flag so far? So for this episode for tonight. So please, if you like to comment section in terms of my grammar or even my stage fright. So I'm still, yeah, actually I'm stage fright. And also and and also for any comment section below for anything else what you do in my video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for my YouTube channel of the second season of Mark Jason Dako Presents Fun with Flags. All right, so let's go now to the shout out version. So actually, I will not read the shout out portion below. So a shout out portion. So due to my voice, so I will post down the all my subscribers. So right now, I ready now to post now already. So if you see my your name in my this video, so there, yeah, actually my so far I have many. So far now, my subscribers now, I'm reached now of 429 or 430. So far, my subscribers. So please, if you like so much, oh, it's okay for me. So I just show my talent. I show my hand flag collection. And also I love geography since I was a child. So when I started the flag inspiration since I was in elementary, and then since now all so and when I grow up now already now old now already. So since college, I starting now the collection of flags used by brought which I brought by brought from educational supply popular in the my country. And in the years again, also now yeah for the entire for my entire my life with and then during the pandemic years also I also the collect also flags now. It's through online shopping. Number one, asking the embassies and consulates. Okay, asking the embassy again, the asking embassies and consulates. Then many of yeah, many response are they not reply, but only three countries. So I will shout out also that one later on. And also for my hired flag makers. Yes, my flag maker today and also the former flag maker before. So which is I back out due to the expensive due the prices. So its prices are skyrocket for almost in our country. So each one flag costs 200 pesos. Oh, I did not afford it. Anyway, that's all. So I also now. So I already now shout out now. I showed the post now for my fans for shout out. So let me shout out also for my flag sponsors. Thank you for every without. Thank you for the generous flag donation, especially for my families, like for my family's relatives, like my sister Mylin Embry, Marvilu Castro, my aunt Jocelyn Bergen, then my aunt again, Joy Brem, Rebecca Ross, Sandra Dakwa, then Lucy Diamante, okay, then my relative, my cousin, Jade Francis Haben, Venus Bohol, my cousins, then my auntie again for my mother's side, Rowena Bohol, for my another cousin, Joseph Kevin Bohol, then for my classmates from college and high school college friends, Jeannie Rose Gonzalez, Marian Vines, Michael Malazarte, condolence to your mother, condolence, I deeply condolence, right, Michael. Then Marvin Tagsip, and then my former teacher, Miss Nancy Os- Osno, or Ma'am Nancy Anoba. Then my classmate Rochelle Amito and his long partner Brandon Cho. Okay, so for the I also like also to thank for the embassies and consulate to sending me a flag, like the Embassy of the People's Republic of Bangladesh. Then the social, I'm not sure I will, the Socialist Democratic Republic of Sri Lanka. If I wrong, sorry. Sorry, Embassy of Sri Lanka in Manila, as well as the Consulate of the Togolese Republic. Okay. Then for my flag makers, from Anli Flags from China, then International Flag House from Manila, and then as well as La Monica by David Puga from Rizal. Okay, sorry for my Bulacan. So it's correctly. Actually, he's from Rizal. Then from the other sellers, from the uh, online sellers from international. Okay, so especially seller from a local shopping network, local shopping site such as Thailand, okay, Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, as well as China. Number one. Okay, People's Republic of China. Okay, so thank you very much. So in the next 2 weeks, so I will show you now another episode of the first part of the My Flag and Flag collection, which is composed of the first part is the other objects, mobile charge, other objects. Part the first part, which is the composed of no buildings, architectural, which includes architecture, headgear, the cap, the crown, tiara, helmet, and as well as the maps, countries that has a map on the design. Okay, so I will see you now in 2 weeks, and bye everyone.